In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board as HTML. This is a fantastic way to share interactive content on your website or intranet, making your collaborative efforts not only more engaging, but also more accessible to a wider audience. Whether you're working on a dynamic presentation or need to share a brainstorming session with a broader team, Miro's Embed feature is intuitive and simple to integrate. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you need to have your Miro board open and ready to go. If you're not already there, navigate to the board you wish to embed. Once you're on your board, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you will see a toolbar featuring the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More menu. Click on this icon to unfold the menu options. From the list that appears, hover over the option labeled Board. A submenu will appear, guiding you to more specific options within. Click on Export to proceed. This will bring you to a series of export options. Look for and select Embed from this list. Alternatively, if you find the Share button more convenient, you can click on this and navigate directly to the Embed tab. Once you've opened the Embed dialog, Miro provides you with a choice of navigation modes to tailor how your board is presented. Your first option is Free Navigation. This setting allows your viewers full control over the board, enabling them to zoom in and pan across the content freely, making it ideal for those who want their audience to explore the board in depth. The second option is Presentation Mode. This mode offers a distraction-free view that focuses primarily on the frames you've defined, making it perfect when you need to guide your audience through specific sections of your board without any distractions. At this point, you might want to consider making your presentation even more precise. This can be achieved by setting the Start view or selecting a specific frame that you want your viewers to see first. This optional feature is particularly useful if you have a specific area of your board that you want to highlight right away. By setting the Start view, you ensure that your audience begins their experience at a point that aligns with your objectives. Once you've made these selections, the embed code will be generated, which you can then copy and paste into your website's HTML. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Miro boards effectively, ensuring they are engaging and accessible to your desired viewers. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to embed a Miro board as HTML. This powerful tool makes sharing and collaborating smoother and more efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take some time to explore these settings to see what works best for your audience. Happy embedding, and until next time.